I'm in Batlow and I've just driven past this beautiful ornamental grape. It's growing on a fence. Usually people grow this over a pergola to offer them shade from the hot summer sun. Then you get this spectacular autumn foliage where it goes bright red, and then the leaves fall off in winter to allow the sunshine in. Here it's growing on a fence and it looks absolutely brilliant. It's super fast growing, this vine. And one vine, this is one vine, you can see it's covering a huge area. It's even grown up the tree. But one plant will cover your pergola, and it really is an amazing climbing plant. The colour in autumn is absolutely spectacular. I love it. You can eat these leaves. They're great for cooking, and the Lebanese use them, and they actually like this ornamental grapevine better than the fruiting one to use the leaves. So this is a non-fruiting grapevine. Colours up much more than a fruiting grapevine. So Vitus vinifera, ornamental grapevine. Absolutely love it.